In this video, simulating gravitational lensing in Unity ER and its interaction with a laser light. After watching the black hole in Interstellar, I was curious, how would a light beam interact with a gravitational lensing around a black hole? For that, I went through different video lectures and tutorial on rendering of gravitational lensing, but none of them showed a light beam interacting with it. That is when I discovered ray marching and learn how to simulate gravitational lensing in Unity game engine. This is how I implemented the gravitational lensing in Unity augmented reality. Let me start the app. Let me adjust the mobile and keep the gravitational lensing effect at its center. Now I'm going to switch off the light. You can see that how a laser light is interacting with the gravitational lensing effect. Enjoy. Einstein ring effect.